Good morning. Now we are going to solve problem 3.4 from Fundamentals of Electric Circuit, 5th edition by Alexander Sadiku. So we are asked to calculate the currents I1 through I4. So this is the circuit given. So by looking at this, we know that it is coming under the category of nodal analysis. And we have to apply KCL in this case. So here we have this 3 amperes, so it divides it into 2 nodes. So this can be taken as our first node, and this can be taken as our second node, in which we can assume that we have V1 and V2 voltages existing. Okay, so now we proceed with, we know that KCL is sum of entering current, that is incoming current, is equal to the sum of leaving currents, okay, or the outgoing currents. So we first take the node 1. So in node 1, what are the currents which are entering? 6 amperes current is entering, and this 3 amperes is also entering. Okay, so it is 6 plus 3, that is equal to, what are the currents which are leaving? I1 and I2 are leaving. So summation of these two currents, so it is 9, that is equal to, for I1 I2 we can apply Ohm's law, so it is V by R, right? So what is the voltage? It is V1 by resistance is 20, V1 minus 0 potential we can take, right? V1 by 20 plus, similarly here also it is V1 by 10 ohms. Okay, so if you take the common denominator for this, it is 20, so V1 plus 2V1, that is equal to 9. So if you cross multiply, it is 9 into 20, so it is 180, that is equal to 3V1. So V1 is equal to 6 volts. So we got one answer now. This is one answer we got. Now we go for the second node. Okay, node 2. So in that, what are the currents which are entering? Only this 2 ampere current is entering current, and the currents leaving are this 3 amperes, this I3, L4, these are all leaving. So 3 plus I3 current plus this I4 current. So it is 2 minus 3, that is equal to I3 plus I4, so minus 1. I3 we can apply Ohm's law here, so that is V2 by 40 ohms plus again V2 by 40, so it is minus 1, that is equal to 2 times this V2 by 40, right? So it is 20, V2 by 20. So when you cross multiply this 20 with this minus 1, we get it as minus 20, that is equal to V2, or right, this V2 is equal to minus 20 volts. So we got these two equations. So already we got V1 as 60 volt, right? So now we can find out I1 through I4 currents. Okay, so what is I1? I1 is equal to V1 by 20. V1 is 60. 60 by 20, so it is 3 amps. And I2 is, again it is V1 by 10. So it is 60 by 10. So it is 6 amps. I3 is V2, right? V2 by 40. So it is minus 20 by 40. So it is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to, so minus 0.5 amps. Okay, so what is I4? I4 is equal to again V2 by 40. So it is again minus 0.5 amps. So this is the answer we got. Okay, I1 3 amps, I2 6 amps, I3 and I4 are minus 0.5 amps. Okay, thank you.